Sora 2 is finally here and it's really powerful. In this video, I'm going to show you all the amazing things it can do, as well as its limits. I won't just show the official demos, I'll test it myself so you can see what the interface looks like, how to use it, and how impressive it really is. I'll also explain how you can get access to it. Let's start. On their official announcement page, Sora 2 is described as a video generator that includes audio built in, just like Google's V3. The audio is very good, which I'll show you soon. Right now, Sora 2 is the best tool for creating videos that look realistic, especially for things like physical movements or simulations. It can even handle difficult actions like gymnastics or backflips with amazing accuracy. For example, one video shows a ballet dancer doing a PLIE with a cat on her head. The movement is perfectly realistic. Another video shows a man doing a backflip on a surfboard.
And go! Dude, you alright? I'm good.
The sound is perfectly in sync and the movement looks completely real. Doing a backflip on a surfboard is very hard, but Sora 2 handles it perfectly. Sora 2 is also great at making anime videos. One example shows a sad scene during a birthday celebration at night. It doesn't just create the characters. It also adds background music that feels like it's from a real anime movie or show. Another cool example shows a German shepherd running through a tricky obstacle course. The dog's movements are fast, natural, and smooth. Not slow and unnatural like in older video generators. Sora 2 can also create many visual styles like anime or claymation. You can even upload a short video of someone talking, and Sora 2 will make an AI model of that person, called a cameo. This lets you put that virtual person into different videos. It also works for vertical TikTok-style videos. Now that we've seen some official demos, let's test Sora 2 ourselves. This is what the Sora 2 interface looks like. I'll explain how to access it later, but here's the basic setup. You type a prompt describing what you want to create. You can choose a vertical or horizontal video, but you can't change the duration. Each video is 9 seconds long. You can also upload images to use as references. For the first test, my prompt is a little girl looking calm, then getting angry, then smiling, and finally looking surprised. Let's see if it can show all these expressions in just 9 seconds. Here's what we get.
Wait, no, I'm not. That's not fair! Okay, maybe it is kind of funny. Whoa, did that really just happen? I'm fine.
It does it very well. She looks calm, then gets angry, starts smiling, and finally looks surprised. The video is really good, and the audio is almost perfect. Next, let's try some fun tests to see how well Sora 2 understands the world. First, I gave it a simple prompt to make a funny, ironic scene. The video shows a chef proudly saying, "Today I cooked 100 perfect dishes without a single mistake." Then the camera shows a huge pile of burnt food, and he nervously adds,
"Today I cook 100 perfect dishes without a single mistake."
Well, almost perfect. Sora 2 clearly understands humor. With the right prompt, you can make clever and funny videos easily. Next, I tried a silly prompt. A superhero cleaning service commercial where tiny children dressed as superheroes rush around vacuuming and dusting, looking very serious. The result is both shocking and hilarious.
When the mess is big and the stakes are high, we suit up. Crumbs, dust, fingerprints, none of them stand a chance. Super clean heroes. Serious?
With a full, well-animated commercial scene exactly as described. Then, I tried something very creative. Another test was, a comedian tells a joke on stage, but it wasn't funny, and the crowd is awkwardly silent. The video shows the comedian nervously saying, "So, you know you're getting old when you need your phone's flashlight to find your phone," followed by complete silence from the audience.
So, you know you're getting old when you need your phone's flashlight to find your phone?
It perfectly captures the awkward moment. I also tried a super funny video that will definitely go viral on TikTok. The video shows a boy tossing a pancake into the air. He shouts, "Here goes, catch it!" The pancake lands on the dog's head. An older man laughs and says, "Well, that's one way to feed the dog." I'm not sure if it will actually go viral, but maybe Sora 2 knows something I don't. I might even post it on TikTok to see. On the For You page, Sora 2 feels alive. Creative, funny, and almost too real. Every clip stands out with smooth motion, rich colors, and that surreal charm that makes you stop scrolling and just watch. Now, let's focus on Sora 2's video-making skills, how good it really is and where it has limits. I tried a funny meme prompt, the distracted husband meme, but in anime style. The result was perfect. The characters acted out the meme with animated dialogue. Seriously? Huh? What? No, I was just looking at the street sign. There's no sign, come on.
Seriously?
What? No, I was just looking at the street sign.
There's no sign. Come on.
Right.
It showed that Sora 2 understands the humor and context of the meme very well. Sora 2 doesn't just make pictures, it understands the context, emotions, and humor, which makes it very powerful for creating stories and entertainment. After that, I went for something musical, a K-pop boy group singing and dancing on stage. Sora 2 generated the full performance, complete with lyrics, choreography, and synchronized moves. The lip sync and lighting were spot on, creating a stage performance that felt almost real. Overall, my tests show that Sora 2 is very impressive. It can generate many anime characters right away. Influencers can even make a cameo of themselves and produce lots of videos without recording anything. It's not perfect, but Sora 2 is currently the most impressive video generator available. How to access Sora 2. If you're wondering how to get Sora 2, here's the answer. First, you need to download the Sora iOS app. If you have an Android phone, it's not available yet. Once you install the app and sign up for free, you can choose to get a notification when access opens for you. Right now, Sora 2 is only available in the US and Canada. They plan to expand to other countries later. You'll need to wait for them to send you an invite code or use a VPN to get the invite code. When you get the invite code, go to Sora.com. A pop-up will appear. Click Enter Invite Code and type in your code. If you don't have an iPhone or an invite code, the only choice is to wait or try to find an invite code online. And no, you don't need to pay a huge amount for it. At the time of this recording, Sora 2 is free to use. I've been making videos without paying, and it seems the limit is about 100 videos per day. That's my full review of Sora 2. Let me know in the comments what you think and what fun or crazy videos you made with it. If you like this video, remember to like, share, and subscribe. There's a lot happening in AI every week, more than I can show on YouTube. To stay up to date, subscribe to my free weekly AI newsletter. The link is in the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.